Hello lovely people, wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a very colorful sultry fall look. I've already done my eyebrows and I'm just going to go ahead and sort of prime my eyes with the Fenty concealer in the shade 340. Now I'm going to take this Fit Me Maybelline powder in the shade Mocha and I'm going to use that as a transition color. And I'm using the fluffy part of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush to do this, by the way. Next, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution palette and I'm going to use my e.l.f. blending brush right here. And I'm going to take this shade, this orange shade right here, and I'm going to stamp that into my crease. I want to give my eye like a nice orange brownish shade. So this is how your lid should be looking right now. You should have kind of like a burnt orange type of look on your lids. And just keep going back and forth between the brown and the orange to get a really nice and beautiful blend. Now I'm taking my Dior Me concealer brush and my NYX base in the shade Skin Tone, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Then I went ahead and did the same exact thing to the other eye, and this is how it's looking. Now I'm going back into my Makeup Revolution palette and I'm going to take this other orange shade right here and I'm going to place that on top of the lid where I cut the crease. And here you want to make sure you're taking your time and you're placing that color on the lid. It's gonna take some time. It's a little tedious, but you know, it's worth it. Here I was actually trying to place a little bit of red in the middle of the lid and create a gradient effect with the orange, but it wasn't showing up too much, but it was still fine. The look still came out good in the end. Now, I know y'all love when I do a natural lash, but this look does not call for a natural lash. This calls for a more dramatic lash. So that's why I'm using my lash by Kia, okay? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face with my Fit Me products right here. I'm going to use the Maybelline foundation in the shade 320 because I do get a little lighter in the winter time. Then I'm going to highlight slash brighten my T-zone area. Here. I always have to explain everything because not everyone does makeup, okay? I'm gonna brighten it with the, what shade is this? Matte and Poreless 220 powder. And I'm going to shade slash contour the rest of my face, so around here and here, with the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 360 Mocha. And this is 220, what is that, 220 natural beige, by the way. I do this when I just want to do a quick highlight and contour. I don't actually highlight and contour with a concealer. I just do it with the powder. And then I'm going to set my face with the Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. So I'll be right back to show you. I also changed into something a little more fall appropriate. I love fall fashion because I love a nice scarf. I'm a scarf girl. You know, the colors give me fall. Yes, giving me fall vibes, okay? This scarf right here screams fall. I had to put it on. I love scarves, y'all. I live in New York, and when it gets really cold, I live in scarves. So this scarf right here, I don't remember where I got it from. I believe I got it as a gift, but I don't remember where I got it from. The colors are just perfect for fall, and it's a nice pop of color when you want to just dress a look up, you know. In New York, a lot of times we're wearing coats, so we gotta express ourselves through scarves and accessories and all of that. Anywho, so now I'm going to go back into the same orange from the Makeup Revolution palette. This orange right here. And I'm just gonna place that right under my eyes so that everything could come together. Then I'm gonna highlight with my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Hustler Baby. And then for the lips, I think I'm going to, I'm gonna line my lips with the CoverGirl Rich Brown pencil. That's what I had on here. I have other liners, y'all. I can never find them. Then I'm gonna go in with that brown shade I did from my Dollar Lipstick video. Dollar Lipstick video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. This is the shade Mint Brown, perfect for fall. And then I'm using my Fenty, what shade is this? Shade Saucy lipstick. I think I used this thing like twice, and then I forgot that I had it. That's what happens when you have so much makeup. So I'm gonna use that in conjunction with this, and then we should be finished with this look. Y'all, I was really feeling this lip combo. I love the brown and orange together, and I was just feeling the whole makeup look as a whole. I clearly got my inspiration from my scarf because all the colors just went so well together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I have a little picture up of this look. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.